Thanks for watching our video about cooking walnut puff pastry. This is a traditional Persian pastry and is served with tea or coffee in Iran. Join us today as we whisk you away to the delicious world of Persian cuisine. You can support me by watching the entire video and hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel. We are delighted to have you among us. Those crispy and fluffy pastries. We make this delicious pastry on special occasions like Nowruz in Iran.